What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Kickz. We are back for another video out in Culver City. Still got Tony from 210 Got Kickz visiting from San Antonio, Texas. And yeah, I'm taking him out to all the shops around here. Yeah, but make sure you guys check out his channel. I'll leave a link to his channel on the description. Make sure you check that out. All right, let's go see what's up at this mall. Let's go. All right, this is the penultimate stop. Then we're gonna go to Hollywood after. But yeah, dude got Shiekh right here. All right, let's go check out the mall. See what they got. Dude, they got these. This is the evening too, and they still have the 350s right here. This size 9. These are pretty clean. I just don't really do the Yeezys like that. But they're here though. That's actually pretty interesting. Okay. Maybe I'll post this on Instagram. Why not? I'll post this for you guys. Not bad. Jordan section. Got the 11s. Got the glows. I don't know how many size they have. I know some of you guys are gonna be asking. I know. They've had these for 4 years. They've had these, and then yeah, and then the green beans. That's pretty much about it. Okay, so we are seeing these at a few spots. Those are the Legacy 312s. Got the 36s up top, and then Team Jordans. That's interesting. Is that who's the S stand for? I don't know. We had, oh, for Simpsons, I guess. Simpsons. These are medium shorts. These are short though, man. $58. Guess Simpsons brand. But yeah, those are a little short, man. Like I'm not too into the short type of things for guys. I don't know. That's just me. They got more of these. These are going for 48. Dang, dude. All right, those Yeezys, pretty crazy. Yeah, let's look around. Let's look around some more. All right, dude, got a Foot Locker. All right, let's look. Easter fires are here, and that's it. Damn, dude. Everything else sold out here. And the only J here. That's surprising. Okay. I don't think I've seen these too many times. The Aunt Pearls colorway of the KD 14s. Not bad, dude. I don't know if you're into pink. Like, I can see you liking that's pretty dope. Right. I'm not too into pink, but I can see why people like them. What are these? 140, 150 now. 150 got up a little bit. Zions. Have I seen this colorway? I don't know. They're here. $120. Jordan 36. Got Kyrie's right here going for 130 as well. The LeBron highs right here. I think technically mids now that I think about it. Then we got the lows right here. We got 2 colorways. $160 for those. 2 bills for the highs or the mids or whatever they're called. Oh my God, they keep going down. I should just buy these, dude. I don't know. I'll think about it. $40 for Grant Hill 1s. They call them the GH1s. That's what Grant Hill called them. And he was on Full Size Run. That was really a good episode. Then the Diodor is still $20. Wow. Is that Project Armour? I don't think I've ever seen Project Armour at Foot Locker. Okay. Under Armour, Project Armour, you guys. $100 for those. We've seen Vans on sale here and there. But I don't think we've seen any ones for $200. I don't think we've seen any for $30. Let's say Awake. Is that a collab with someone? I don't know. Yeah, $30. That's just all right. One of the few one of the few legit JD Sports in LA. All right, let's look around here. See what they got. Jordan section. Got a couple of J's here. Also got the Heritage. Got some lows too. Got some 6 rings. Okay, that's about it. Man, I'm not really finding much today. Alright, I said they didn't really have that much, and then I forgot to look up here. I'm so dumb. Jordan 1, those? This was men's too. Those are actually super clean. I like that tumble leather and stuff. They got these and these. These have been here the last week, dude. That's surprising. Dunks being here the whole week. That's crazy. Women's right here, crazy. And then the grade school section, not too bad. Oh, okay, not bad. Oreos, can't believe these are still here. And then they just released these, threw these out right here. Guess these are the leftovers. I guess leftovers, size 11. Not bad. All the dunks in the background. Not bad. You like the denim stuff. Yeah. But not bad. Oh, and then also got grade school. Is this grade school? Is this grade school? Preschool? Oh, grade school. Duh, grade school, preschool, and toddlers. Dude got grade school. That's only $15 off though. Yeah, the speed turf, classic. When I was a kid, man, I used to love these. Heritage, more grade school stuff. These would be dope, but man, I'm telling you that those little emojis on there kind of ruin it. But yeah, I'm a fan of that colorway. 13s, got 6s, most 6s, 5s. We saw these a week ago or so in the men's section. These, not bad, dude. Materials, definitely interesting. Not bad, dude. Women's section, what are these? ZK, oh, the Retro P E5s. These look pretty dope, too, with the material and stuff. Got suede, front and back. Women's section, got some NMDs, but that's it, man. That's it. Oh, wait. I just talk too much sometimes, apparently. But yeah, I got these Air Max 97s, which are pretty dope. Got the 3M. I think I showed the 3M on this one just a little while ago, but yeah, that's pretty dope. But that's about it. All right, let's wrap it up. Do got a chance. And yeah, it's suspect, but yeah, we'll still check. Do got these. I'm a fan, but I won't pay full price. I could have got it on sale. Maybe I should have. I don't know. We've seen these a bunch of times. $1.50 for these. Still got a couple more Iversons right here. These are okay. I'm not a fan. Even the material's kind of whatever on these. Still got these here. They only have a size 7.5. They've had this for a while now, dude. But yeah, only 7.5. $5.74. I've seen a bunch of these now. Seeing them on sale too. Like this Raiders colorway right here, $50. Then this one, look at this. This one's clean. Oh my God. This one is fire. Materials. It's all right, man. I was about to hype it up big time, but yeah, material's okay. It's okay. It's not as great, but the colorway is just amazing on this. I love that tan with that baby blue. Oh my God, that is fire. So looks a little darker. Oh, okay. Now it's a little lighter right there. It does look a little dark on camera. Those are fire though, dude. $85 for these. Okay. Zoom Freak 3s, not a surprise. We've already seen some of the first images of the Zoom Freak 4, some of the leaks. Dude got Kyrie's on sale, Kyrie Infinities. Keeps you fresh, not on sale. This one not bad. Kind of baby blue color. I don't know what that is, but okay. $1.30 for those. Got the lows. Seen that at a couple spots now. Okay. Women's section. I've never seen these. Huaraches look like got all kinds of suede on them. The suede feels pretty good. Suede actually feels better than those New Balance. That's a hell of a lot of orange though. Tons of orange. This one's not bad either. Like that price better. Then grade school. I haven't seen too many sales though. I've seen plenty of retros. I always see plenty of retros in the grade school. Some of the performance stuff for grade school. Do got a heritage, one or many in the back. I don't know. Yeah, they got them. That's cool. Then Tony buying a hat. Okay. One of the Fear of God hats. And do got the Pro Standard shorts. I'm such a fan of these. I don't know. We'll see if they go on sale. I'm too cheap to pay. What, $80 I think for these? $80. Yep. And then the hoodies right here. Hoodies, $100 for those hoodies, which are ridiculous. Like that's actually really nice. And then t-shirts. T-shirts I think are what, $70? $50, not bad. But $50 for a t-shirt? Hell to the no, man. Too broke for that.
13.
All right, he got a shirt. Oh, okay. All right, got a hat. Why did I say shirt? All right. Are we done? I don't know. Let's go check. All right, guys, that was the Culver City or Westfield Culver City. And yeah, that continues to be one of my favorite malls. I'm just a big fan of that place. Most of the stores there are legit, so you can find some dope stuff. This was a little over a week ago. Usually all my videos are less than a week old. I try to post them up as soon as I get to them, but yeah, it kind of works out that way. I have family in town right now, so I've kind of been helping them. Haven't been able to go out to as many spots as possible. But yeah, that's kind of the way it works sometimes. Try to get you guys a video every day, and sometimes I have to store some, and that's kind of the way it works. But yeah, kind of crazy seeing 350s, the Easy 350s. They were pretty clean, dude. They were pretty clean. Saw them at a couple stores. That was pretty crazy. I was supposed to post those on Instagram. My bad, you guys. I forgot. I was so distracted walking around with Tony. We was just chopping it up and stuff. So yeah, totally forgot to do that. My apologies. But yeah, sneaker game definitely changing, man. We ain't seen 350 sit like that, or we ain't seen them readily available like that. All the Jordans, all the stuff. Just kind of crazy, The sneaker game, the apparel game, a lot of stuff has changed. You know, obviously, you know, I've talked about it. I've been predicting that, hey, the economy is going to change quite a lot. I've seen a bunch of jerseys on sale. I got a couple jerseys coming. Seen them on sale and whatnot. So I bought them online, like a bunch of stuff on sale online. A bunch of NBA jerseys on sale right now. So there's a lot out there, you guys. So yeah, make sure you guys look around. If you guys do have a few extra bucks, please don't put them on your credit card, you guys. Like, we don't need to be going in debt. I really think the economy is going to crash even more. So just be careful, guys. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Y'all know how much that means to me. Make sure you help a boy out. Press that like button. If you're new, go ahead, press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Y'all know I do drop tons of videos. I guess if you're new, you don't know I drop tons of videos, but whatever. But yeah, make sure you guys join in, because yeah, I try to drop a video every day. Have missed a few this summer, but hey, things will get better. But yeah, I got plenty of videos coming. See you guys next one. Peace. All right, so we're driving through Hollywood. There's Union. And Fools is camping out. Fools is camping out for the Union Cortezes. Holy crap, I didn't expect that. I'm not going to lie. Damn, I don't even know if I'm going to go try to get them tomorrow. But yeah, there we go.